Hi guys, this is Jacqueline from Sleep Space. This is how you get to our showroom. If you're getting here by bus, this is where you stop, Sims Avenue B07. Here's how you get to Sleep Space from Aljunied MRT. Take exit A, follow me. Make a turn, Lorong 23 Geylang. Right, here we are. Yuli Industrial Building. Come, let's go. As you can see, there's ample parking space, so if you're driving, this is where you can park. We are on the 4th floor. When you arrive on the 4th floor, just make a right turn and you'll find us. Come. Here we are, Sleep Space.